Welcome back to my channel. This is the first trading day I'm sharing with you as part of my journey from being an unprofitable trader to a profitable one. In this series, you'll follow along as I work to pass a funded trading challenge. My strategy is explained in the first video of this playlist, so make sure to watch that first. Now, on GBP/USD, I've identified a setup. Today is May 14th, 2025, and on the 1-hour chart, I noticed that a swing high has been taken out, indicating a liquidity hunt. Dropping down to the 15-minute time frame, I saw the price move lower and an inverted fair value gap formed. I marked that zone on the chart. Dropping to the 5-minute time frame, I looked for a fair value gap above the previously marked inversion gap. I found two and marked both. Then, I waited for the price to reach one of them. Dropping down to the 1-minute time frame, the price rejected the 5-minute fair value gap, moved lower, and broke structure. Known at this point, all the conditions for my setup are met. I'm looking to enter from a 1-minute fair value gap. There are two available. Ideally, I should have chosen the one above the 50% level of the swing, as it's in the premium zone. But mistakes happen. For my take profit, I mark the 50% level on the 1-hour time frame. Then look for the closest swing on the 15-minute chart near that level. That becomes my take profit target. The stop loss is set above the most recent 1-minute high. After that, I simply wait. Here, you can see my funded challenge on MetaTrader, along with the exact entry point for my position. Everything looks good. I'm working with a $5,000 challenge, and I'm risking 0.5% of the account. This risk amount is calculated based on backtesting data and the maximum number of consecutive losing trades my strategy can handle. I then adjusted the risk, keeping in mind the daily limit of the challenge. At this point, I'm in drawdown, but I'm relaxed and trusting my setup. The only mistake I think I made was not entering from the higher 1-minute fair value gap, which would have provided a better risk-to-reward ratio. Let's see how this plays out. Here, I got stopped out on MetaTrader due to a price difference between brokers and the spread. That's another mistake I made. I should have allowed a bit more room to account for the spread. Nonetheless, the setup is still valid, so I'll re-enter and adjust my stop to accommodate the extra space for the spread. I'm using an expert advisor, EA, that I developed on MetaTrader, which automatically calculates the lot size based on the risk percentage and stop loss. You can find similar tools online, but I preferred to create my own. It makes life much easier. With consistent risk, you ensure your risk management is on point, which is the golden key to successful trading. So here, I've re-entered the trade with a similar stop loss and the same take profit, as you can see. That's a great move. Wonderful. I'm in profit now. I'm looking for a 5-minute or 15-minute fair value gap to scale in with another position. I want to see a fair value gap form and the price return to it. After that, I'll look for an entry to scale in. Let me mark out this gap real quick. It will be valid once the 5-minute candle closes. To scale in, I'll wait for the price to return to the 5-minute gap and then form a 1-minute break of structure. Once that happens, I'll look for an entry. Looks like the price decided to play with my emotions here. Haha. Why did you stop right there? Come on now. By the way, I'm using the 5%ers Funded Challenge. I've been with them for a year, and they're just awesome. Great customer service and excellent trading conditions, with almost zero spread on most pairs. Check out the link in the comments if you're interested in taking a challenge. They offer multiple account types to suit different traders, and the pricing is great too. Take a look and let me know what you think. That's it. Price hit the take profit on MetaTrader. What a great trade. One loss and one solid win, ending the day in the green. Stay tuned for more videos, and let's become funded together. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you next time.